Solved how to fix Warzone not using GPU on Windows. 1. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Install all Windows updates. 3. Change settings in Manage 3D settings under NVIDIA Control Panel. 3.1 CUDA, GPUs, select your graphics card. 3.2. Set Physical X configuration, select your GPU under the Select Physical X processor. 4. Set graphics preference to high performance. Like this. 5. Run Warzone in its windowed mode. Hat, Options Graphics tab display.